Model, 65-plate Citroen Relay 2.2 transit engine tipper, long MOT, low mileage needs. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 92,128. MOT, 16 August 2024. Engine, 2198 cc4 HDi. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight top-end rattle. It seems like the timing chain has slipped a tooth. It has the camshaft fault code to confirm Grin will need a new timing chain kit fitted, and then it will be good. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Wouldn't advise to drive too much longer. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 1 former keeper, cruise control, air con, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401